See, I will pay you next week. All I need is just 100,000. Yes, 100,000. No, not 50. 100k. See, I know you have 100k now. Just help your guy. 50k. Guy, come now. See, it's 100k I need. Help your guy now.
Papa.
This 50k will not do. Hold on. Ife, what is it? I'm in a call. What is it?
Papa, I've blow. I want 500.
500? Hold on. Hello? Forget about the money. Don't worry, you can keep your money. I don't need it anymore. Keep it. Bye. My son, sit down. How did you do it?
Papa, we just 100 naira. 100 naira. I went to this betting shop in that other corner and I played Man U to win Real Madrid and they cap 4. Continue. Papa, guess what? Man U won 6-0. Maguire scored 4 goals. Jesus. Just one match, Papa. I won 500.
500,000?
No, Papa. It's not 500,000.
Wait, is it 500 million?
It's 500 naira. Papa, you know what? I'm coming. Let me go and collect my money before they close.
This child is stupid though. I think I need to swap this boy for 1 bag of rice.